High in the mountains of Sichuan, China, lies a challenge that defies nature itself.
This is the roof of the world. The air is thin, and the temperatures are lethal. At 4,411 meters above sea level, building anything here seems impossible. But for the engineers of China, impossible is just another project.
The timeline is tight. Just 2 years to conquer the mountain.
The goal, to construct the world's highest civilian airport. The Daocheng Yading Airport project begins with a blueprint and a vision. Logistics are the first nightmare. Every piece of steel must be hauled up. The roads are treacherous, winding through the unforgiving Himalayas.
A city of workers rises in the wilderness to house the construction army. But at this altitude, even machines struggle to breathe. Before they can build, they must destroy. The mountain top must be leveled. Explosives are set to shatter the granite peaks. A symphony of destruction clears the path for progress. Millions of tons of rock are displaced in seconds. The earth-moving phase is monumental. They aren't just building, they are sculpting. Mountains are shaved flat to create a stable foundation.
The human toll is high. Altitude sickness is a constant threat.
Oxygen stations are as vital as fuel depots on this site.
Work continues day and night, battling temperatures that drop far below zero. The foundation must be solid. Compaction is key.
Any air pockets left in the soil could cause the runway to crack.
Layers of protective fabric separate the freezing earth from the runway base. Tons of gravel are imported to create a drainage layer. Precision is mandatory. The tolerance is measured in millimeters. Advanced GPS technology guides every blade and bucket. Then comes the concrete. But normal concrete won't survive here. Chemical additives are mixed in to prevent freezing before the cure. The battle against the thermal cycle begins. Like a newborn, the fresh concrete must be kept warm to gain strength. Days turn into weeks. The spine of the airport takes shape.
The scale is immense. A 4,200-meter scar across the sky.
Quality control checks ensure the base can hold massive jets. But the snow is cleared, and the work pushes forward. Now, the main event. Paving the longest runway at this altitude. This runway must be longer than usual, 4,200 meters. In thin air, planes need more speed and distance to lift off. It requires a runway nearly as long as JFK's longest strip.
The finish must be flawless.
Grooves are cut to prevent hydroplaning during storms. Meter by meter, the gray ribbon stretches toward the horizon. Curing compounds seal the moisture in, vital in the dry mountain air. Temperature monitoring is constant. Cracks are the enemy.
The spine of the dragon is complete.
Now, it gains its identity. Markings for the pilots. High visibility paint is used to cut through the mountain fog. Electrical systems must withstand the deep freeze. Guidance systems are installed.
A beacon of light in the darkness of the Himalayas.
While the runway cures, the terminal rises. A structure designed to mimic a UFO landing. The flying saucer design is both aesthetic and aerodynamic. Steel workers battle the wind to secure the frame. The circular shape helps deflect the high-altitude winds.